Hi guys, we're looking at a dual screen wallpaper. Maybe you don't see it, of course, right? Just one screen is recorded, but it shows these small little things that are actually interesting to know. And in templates, we have wallpapers. I have a bunch of wallpapers, 10 GB to be precise. And there are also dual wallpapers in there. Right mouse click, dual screenshot or dual wallpaper and single screen, right? Dual screen, single screen. So simple, and it's done. Not the reason why I'm here. The reason is Ctrl+T update. ArchLinux Tweak Tool GTK 4. That's what got an update. We launch it with Ctrl+Alt-E, escape, or we type ATT, or we type Fallout, ArchLinux Tweak Tool, etc. Right? We're not going to do that. So ATT is a way to start it, because then we see some communication, and we try not to be the black box that other people sometimes are, right? Other distributions. And then we have some communication going on here, saying, okay, this is for ArchLinux, not for Kiro. So Archcraft, Archbang, all these guys. We have to visit them and see if the ArchLinux Tweak Tool still works. And yes, guys, a lot of time goes in there. We have changed a little bit the design. We have a button up here, support. And well, this is basically the best one, because most of the money gets to the creator and not to all the other guys, right? But what we are here to do is something I've added to the software. Maybe you've seen it before, Shelly. So let's start by removing it. You know exactly what command it is. It says so, right? Shelly. So you can type it in yourself and learn names and all that. And I think it's worth of being together with all the other guys: Pacman, Octopi, Bazaar, Shelly, GNOME Software, KD, Discover, Backup, and we ourselves have Pacman AOR, right? As a default, you have to make choices. I can't just install all of them, right? One choice. So have a look at this particular package. Let's move this to number 2. So this is the package we're talking about: Shelly, install, updates. Nothing to update, we just saw me update, right? Manage, little heart here. And then of course it's Linux. You'll have to make a choice if you want to listen to music or browsers, right? Communication. Even games here, right? We have what we have. What you have is Pacman, and Pacman has repositories, and repository of chaotic AOR is present. Repository of CacheOS is present. Hence, we see CacheOS stuff. Right? Just look around of all the packages that we can just click and install. Does it give us more information than the other tools? Up to you. It's just a choice. And we here, ArchLinux Tweak Tool is here to just give you a choice, right? So that's the first button. Second button is this one. You can scroll through the list, long list, or search for something, or have this drop down. Very similar as what we have on Pacman, right? It's a group thing. And now we have this one, search for AOR packages. Not sure I have any. I don't think it's, let's say AOR vote or something. I always use this one because I know it's somewhere up there, but maybe with a, no, not with a hyphen. Voila. So we can find, we can search, we can do updates. Not sure if I have any. I think I have only Opera as an update from AOR. And I've activated, when you install it, I got a choice: install Snappack and install 2 choices actually. AppImage and Snapback. I thought, yeah, why not, right? Let's just click everything. So now I have these choices here. Long list. DOS browser, oh my God, right? The days of DOS have to be of age, right? To know what DOS is. Lots of things in here. Never seen before. Cool, all right? Cool. Drop an app image here to install. Voila, that's the message. This is Shelly. Maybe something for you to say. I'll try it out and see what it is. I have to make an icon for it, I see, since it's not following the Neo Candy icons. But that's fine. It looks good on the Surfing icons. I'll stay clear of that one, but this one should get a nice one. All right, cheers.